Most of us treat our inner world like a movie theater. We sit in the dark, watching our dreams and thoughts flicker across the screen, completely passive. But Carl Jung, one of the greatest psychologists in history, realized something world-changing. You don't have to just watch. You can actually stand up, walk into the screen, and talk to the characters. Jung called this active imagination. It's a method he developed and explored throughout much of his life to help people turn unconscious contents into real, conscious awareness. It's not just daydreaming or making stuff up. In a daydream, you're the puppet master, you control the story. But in active imagination, the images behave as if they have their own autonomy. They say things you didn't plan, and do things you didn't expect. Jung described it as a flow between the unconscious and conscious mind, letting the deep, hidden waters of your soul flow into your everyday life. It's a way to get an active grasp on the same things that usually only show up in your dreams while you're asleep. So, how do you actually do this? Jung called the process a paradox. Action through non-action. You have to be active enough to start it, but passive enough to let the mind take the lead. First, you need total silence. Turn off your phone and eliminate every distraction. Now, find a seed. This could be a fragment of a dream from last night, a haunting image from a movie, or even a bad mood, or a depression you can't shake. Focus on that feeling until it turns into a visual image. Now, here's the secret. Don't be bossy. Don't try to force the image to do anything. Just watch it. As you look at it, the image will begin to change and animate itself. When a figure appears, maybe a wise teacher, an animal, or a shadow enter the scene, treat it like a real person. Ask them, "Why are you here?" Or "What do you want from me?" Then, and this is the hardest part, wait. Don't put words in their mouth. Let them answer in their own way. Finally, you must create ocular evidence. Jung insisted that you write down the dialogue or draw the images immediately. This earths the experience and stops your ego from lying to you about what you just saw. So, why go through all this effort? Because the advantages are life-changing. Jung saw this as a way to fix spiritual deficiency and clear up those inner wars that hold you back. It takes a messy, confusing mood and turns it into a clear, understandable idea. By doing this, you stop looking for everyone else to fix your life, and you become your own guru. You develop a locus of authority, an inner strength that helps you handle major life transitions and creative blocks. It's basically a fast track to becoming a whole person. But we have to be real. Jung left us with some heavy warnings. This isn't a life hack or a parlor game. Because this method involves intentionally lowering your conscious guard, it can be dangerous if you aren't in a stable headspace. Jung specifically warned that it could lead to a dissociation from reality. The golden rule here is to keep one foot firmly on the ground. You are a partner in this drama, not a servant. If an inner character starts suggesting things that are dangerous or just plain irrational in your actual, physical life, that's your cue to step back. You aren't there to take orders. You're there to have a dialogue. The goal is to use these insights to improve your real life, not to escape from it. Only dive in when your mind naturally prompts you, and always treat the process with the respect it deserves.